Hi everyone! Do you often feel lost when starting a new topic? Like you don't know where to begin or how to retain all the information? Well, you're not alone. In today's video, I'll share proven strategies to help you study any topic effectively so you can learn faster and remember better. Tip number 1. Start with a big picture overview. Before diving into the details, take a moment to understand the overall structure of the topic. Skim through your textbook, notes, or online resources to get a sense of the main ideas and subtopics. This bird's eye view helps you identify how the smaller parts fit into the larger concept. For example, when studying history, first understand the timeline and key events before diving into the specifics. Tip number 2. Break it down into manageable sections. A big topic can feel overwhelming if you try to tackle it all at once. Break it into smaller, logical sections and focus on one at a time. For instance, if you're studying a science chapter, separate it into concepts like definitions, diagrams, and processes. Studying one section at a time prevents burnout and helps you retain information better. Plus, completing smaller sections gives you a sense of progress, boosting your confidence. Tip number 3. Connect new information to what you already know. Learning becomes easier when you link new concepts to familiar ones. Ask yourself, how does this topic relate to something I've already studied? For example, if you're learning about photosynthesis, think about how it connects to the food chain you studied earlier. These connections create mental hooks that make it easier to remember and retrieve information later. Tip number 4. Create summaries and visual aids. Once you've studied a topic, summarize it in your own words. Use bullet points, flowcharts, or mind maps to organize the information visually. For example, a mind map on a history chapter might have the main event in the center with branches for causes, key figures, and outcomes. Visual aids simplify complex topics and give you a quick reference for revision. Tip number 5. Review regularly and revisit weak areas. Don't let what you've learned fade away. Schedule regular revision sessions to reinforce your memory. Review key points after a day, a week, and a month to strengthen retention. Focus on areas where you feel less confident and practice until you're comfortable. For example, if you struggle with a specific equation, revisit it multiple times until it becomes second nature. And there you have it. By following these strategies, you'll not only study more effectively, but also enjoy the process of learning. Let me know in the comments which tip you're excited to try or share your own techniques for studying topics effectively. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and as always, happy studying.